unboxing of a Logitech K810. Let's take it out. This comes out. It always comes with good packaging, just like Apple. Now let's take a look here. Opens up right here. USB micro. Okay. Here's let's see, just like Apple does. There you go. These are obvious. Okay, more information, warranty, all that good stuff. Okay, now let's do it. Let's unwrap it. This is nice. Feel lightweight. It's nice. When you look at it, it's nice. Real thin. You see, it is a pencil. Here's the thickness of my finger. Nice brushed aluminum. A closer look at the keys. You can also turn it on and see it in a sec. This is the thing. This is the sound it makes. There's a laptop quality. Also, what's nice about the keyboard also that better typing at night or during the day. Also, because it's Bluetooth, you could also connect it to a tablet or your Android phone, as well as at your phone or laptop. And it's rechargeable as well. The USB to your computer or any outlets. And the keys are good for comfort as you type. And I will show you right now. Now to use your keyboard, once you have it open or wrapped, go to the side, so right side of the keyboard, you'll see a button, silver button. You just push it to the top. When it turns on, you'll see these three lights above right here. The left side of the keyboard turn on, you just press on. Then you go to the bottom, which says show you connect, upside down actually. Right there, you click on that, click connect, then you click on the button first, and it will show up into your desktop, mobile phone, or your tablet. If you're using a laptop, for example, or a desktop, you just go to add devices. If you're going on a PC, then it will just show up on the screen, and you just click on there, and you're ready to go. It's a very nice keyboard. Nice glossy finish at the top. The logo on top also lit. The thin profile is amazing as well. It's real thin. You see right there. Nice little keys. Very lightweight. Good to maneuver whenever. This overall good keyboard. Now here is the limited light. So most conditions you won't always have the light at disposal with you. So Now I'll show you how it looks when you turn it on. You'll see it pretty neat. All the keys are lit, nice. And as you could also put the buttons right here on top. You see the intensity of it, and also has a sensor when your hands are getting close to it. This is completely off. Second, and a third, and a fourth, and a fifth as well. Just 5 buttons to show the levels of intensity of the lights of the keyboard. See it nice lit. In the logo right here. See it nice and lit. And also it could also work up to 32 feet with the Bluetooth, with your laptop or desktop, even your computer, even your TV. Shows it here, turns on. It's nice. Choose to get a more close-up look. Now you see the keyboard lights. As it gets dark, you can see it. From the sides right here. Focus. What's making it around because I haven't connected it yet, so that's why it's the reason for it. 2 lights are blinking. Good. See the brushed aluminum. Nice. See right here. It's good for any particular space, especially at home or on the go, to have this on. See it turns on when I touch it as well. Capable of rechargeable. And there's low profile keys. And also be work with your smartphone as well, as I mentioned. You can also adjust the brightness as I showed you before in the buttons here. And off. First, second, third, fourth. And the fourth is right there. First. It's nice. And that's a Logitech K810 Illuminated keyboard, Bluetooth easy switching, illumination, Bluetooth wireless technology. There we go. Click like if you liked the video. If you didn't, click like again, and thanks for watching.